Is there room in your heart for God?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and I sincerely wish every one of you a very happy new month. So we are all entering into the month of December to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. Here I am to share with you a very short encouragement, so I hope you will be blessed watching this video. I just want to start by asking you one simple question. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Christmas? For me, when I was a kid, I think about, new dresses, cakes, exchanging gifts, going out for picnics, and I just think that it's just the birthday of Jesus Christ, as simple as that. But now I am already grown up and I've already accepted Jesus as my personal Lord and Savior, and I came to a realization that Christmas means more than that. Christmas is all about Jesus. Here I just want to share with you a very short example. We as a Christian, Christmas is one of the biggest celebrations we celebrate, and during this time, starting from the month of November, we prepare ourselves to celebrate Christmas. We clean up our houses, we decorate our houses, and we invite our family members, and then we invite guests in our house to celebrate Christmas. But the main point and what matters the most is, are you preparing yourself to welcome the main guests in your house? Are you preparing yourself to invite the main guests in your heart? Is there any room for the main guests in your heart? The main thing is that, are you preparing yourself to welcome Jesus in your house, in your family, and in your heart? So if you are not aware about that, starting from today, I just want to encourage you to prepare your heart, to prepare yourself. Make a room for the main guest, that is Jesus Christ. Because, when your family members, your close one and dear ones comes into your house during this season, during Christmas, you will receive a lot of cakes, gifts, but those are just temporary, right? But when you invite the main guest, that is Jesus Christ, in your house, in your life, when you make a room for Him, my friends, He will come to you with a lot of blessing that you cannot carry. He will come to you with a new life, a new hope, and the peace that nothing else can give. So my friends, prepare yourself to invite the main guests. Prepare yourself to receive Jesus in your life this Christmas. Take this opportunity, this Christmas, 2020 Christmas. Take this opportunity to allow God to change you for the rest of your life. And you will never be the same, my friends. You will enjoy better lives in the year 2021. You will experience miracles. You will experience a lot of new things that God has prepared for you in the year 2021. So my dear friends, it is my sincere wish to all of you that may the Lord shine His light in the darkness of your life, and may this month be a motivation to you that everything is about to get better, and take this opportunity to let God change your life, and please make sure that you celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ meaningfully and prayerfully, because many people, when they celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, they do the things that they are not supposed to do. Christmas is not to be celebrated with all those stuff, right? Which you are not supposed to drink, which you are not supposed to do. I just want to tell you that Christmas is a celebration to worship the Lord, to adore Him, and to invite Him in your life once again. So please make sure that you celebrate this Christmas meaningfully and prayerfully, and don't do the things that you're not supposed to do, my dear friends. So thank you so much for watching, and wish you all advance Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video.